Okay, we are going to do a little bit of unboxing. So I just got my mail from my order. I think I ordered it probably 3 to 4 weeks ago, and I don't even remember what it is. So let's have a look at what it is together. Oh yes, I remember now. So I ordered the scrap bag, so here it comes. I'll open that later. And I ordered this little cute, and I think this was on sale, thread that binds. I bought 2 of that because then I can make a simple table runner with those. And I bought yardages, all the blue yardages, because I was so inspired by the Suzunaki, but I ended up not going to be using this, but this would be great in my stash. And I also got the Tiny Modernist cross stitch, which I'm going to stitch along. So there's a stitch along. I'll put a link below as well if you're interested. And then Timber Blossom pattern. This is so beautiful. I want to make this as well. So that's what I got from my order, which I don't even remember. So let's open the scrap bag together. So this is a scrap bag that I've actually recommended this a lot because the scrap bag is tons. You see, you get this for like $11 or $12, but the fabric inside it is like big pieces of fabrics. They do come in this reusable bag, which you can use again to, you know, to store things or to give table runners or like small pillowcases to people. So let's see what we got. So I got this. See how big that is? That is super big, and that is a whole length of fabric. So that's 45. So that's the end bit. That's why you have some of that. And then look at that. I got all blues as well. So how great is that? Got blues. I think this one is from Decorum. And then I got some white. Oh, this is going to be so perfect. I love getting white like this. And browns. I think this is batik. But this is also big, right? It's big. It's not straight, but it's big. And some little Christmas fabric. Let's see what else I got. More decorum, I think. It's pretty big. And this is a tinier pieces. Got some pink. Oh, there's like Valentine or something. Yep. And some more Christmas fabric. And I got this. And this tiny piece. Oh, look at how cute that is. That is pin cushion. Look at how cute that is. That is so cute. I don't even know what fabric is that. Let me see it. And I got another solid. See how much you got from that scrap bag? It is random, but I think they're really usable pieces. And if you're looking to build up your stash, this is a great deal, especially if you don't have particular colors. And I think like these can really make really good projects, small projects. They're good enough to actually mix and match with what you already have in stash, or you can add up a few more fabrics to go with it. So that is what I got in my fabric. So probably I want to open this because I want to show you guys. So these was not on sale. I'm not sure all of them are on sale or not, but I think this was not on sale. I just picked up some blue fabrics that I want to add to my stash. So I think that one is Bonnie and Camille and a couple of others. So how beautiful that is. So I was thinking at the beginning I was going to make something from this book. So that is probably going to be something from this book. Not the current sew along because I've already picked fabric for that. And yeah, so we'll see what this one will turn into.